Hey guys, Danny here. Welcome to the video. Today we're checking out a wireless microphone system for your smartphone and camera. This product was sent to me for free for review, and always if you'd like to pick it up, you can find a link down below. So this is a dual microphone system to kind of compete with a lot of the big mainstream ones on the market. You've got your standard charging case, and I'm actually wearing the microphone right now. So hopefully this gives you an idea of what kind of sound quality you can get, and I'll be doing some more demonstrations in the rest of the video. So we're going to jump into that right now.
All right, let's go ahead and unbox this. Got a nice hardback case. Feels pretty nice quality. So we've got the main unit in here. This is the dock, which charges your wireless microphones. So we have the receiver and our two microphones. We've got some clips here. Now I'm assuming these should be clips for the microphones to attach them to like your shirt or whatever you're wearing. We got a adapter here for Apple products, lightning connector, USB-C to lightning. And this other flap, let's take a look. So we've got a little strap. I'm guessing we can attach this to the main unit. We've got another strap there. They might actually be for the microphones, the straps, since there's two. We got two little windbreaks. So these should be for reducing wind noise while you're wearing the microphones if you're outside or just any windy environment. And we've got a USB-C charger. Nice little package. I like that this comes with its own case. Makes the product feel a bit more premium. Zipper feels pretty good as well. In the box, got a warranty card, user manual, a quick start guide. When it comes to the design of the main unit here, it really doesn't feel too bad. It's got a nice weight to it. The lid mechanism feels like maybe it could be a little bit more robust and sturdy, but it's really not too bad. You've got your USB-C charger on the back, and as that charges up, you've got your indicators here as well. There's also lights inside that tell you when the microphones are charging. Don't know if you can see that there, but it's flashing red inside. So it's a nice compact case. And as you'll see in one of my demonstrations, it's really easy to operate and pair to your smartphone as well. I want to show you a quick demo of how easy this is to set up. So we're just going to open the case, take out the receiver, plug it into our smartphone. I'm going to get a blinking light on here. We're going to pull out our microphone. It's going to automatically turn on and it's going to instantly pair. So the light is going to stay solid green on here and it'll stay solid green on your smartphone, and that's it. It's already connected. You can take out the second transmitter and you'll see that has already connected. We've got it green on the other side, green on this side, so you can see both are connected. If you want to disconnect it, you simply drop it back in the case. So it's a very intuitive system, works really well.
Okay, so I've got the microphone hooked up. I've attached it using the little magnet. It was really easy to connect. So what I want to do is use it in this environment. There's a little bit of background noise in this room, and I want to compare it to the Hohe microphone that I have, which is a bit more of a well-established brand. I want to see if there's a difference in the background noise, if there's any static, and just like the general audio quality, see if there's much of a difference. So I'm going to go grab that. We'll do a little comparison now. Okay, we've now got the Hohe microphone set up, and this is going to be a really nice comparison. I like doing this in videos. Sometimes if you just are testing a product and you have nothing to compare it to, it's sometimes hard to like judge the quality of it. So doing this direct comparison to this Hohe microphone, which like I say is a bit more of an established brand. A lot of people actually recommend this microphone that I've seen. Some pretty well respected tech YouTubers. So we'll compare the sound quality of this to the NearStream and see if there's a major difference. Honestly, I'm expecting the Hohe to sound better. So I'm going to be very surprised if it doesn't, and especially if they sound pretty similar, I'll definitely be impressed. All right, now we're going to do a outside test. So for this one, I'm going to make sure it's fair. So I'm going to put the windbreak on both of them. This is, of course, the NearStream I'm testing now. And outside performance is good because we need to, think about background noises that may be introduced. So let's switch over to the Hohe and see if there's much difference. All right, we switched over to the Hohe microphone. We've got the windbreak on, as you can see. There's a plane flying over right now. I don't know if the microphone's going to pick that up. Again, I think I mentioned this earlier. I am kind of expecting the Hohe microphone to outperform the NearStream, but it'll be interesting to compare them and see, how big the gap actually is. That plane is still flying over. It'll be interesting to see if the Hohe actually blocks that out. But yeah, I want to listen to this back and I'll let you know what I think. So that brings us to the end of the video. I hope my demonstrations have helped you on deciding whether you want to pick up this product or not. I think it does offer good value for money when you consider the price you're paying and you're getting your charging case, 2 microphones and receiver. It's going to be quite difficult to find a microphone solution that gives you this value. But I have to say the microphone quality was a little bit lower quality than I'd hoped for. Now, it's definitely not bad. I think you can probably hear that in the recordings. It's not a bad microphone. So I think it's going to be a decision whether you want better value or to spend more money to get a certain higher quality microphone system. But of course, you could do some post-quality cleanup on this as well and probably make it sound pretty fine. But yeah, hopefully this gives you an idea of whether you want to pick up this product. I really hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing for more videos like this one. And of course, I will see you in the next one.